Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gianta here, and I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space. And today I want to go over the highest quality solo ad traffic that you could possibly get. And if you've been looking for very high quality solo ad traffic that not only converts, but that gets results long term, then you're going to want to stick around in this video because Profit Builder's Traffic was relaunched, and Profit Builder's Traffic was my traffic store that I launched 4 years ago. And throughout that time, I've tested and tweaked a bunch of different funnels, and I know it works, a bunch of different traffic strategies. I know what works and what doesn't, and this is why you should actually order traffic from Profit Builder's Traffic. And this is your highest quality traffic that you could possibly get, and you're about to see how you get access to 100% real buyers that you can actually bank on, which means you can actually depend on this kind of traffic to build and grow your list and also be able to make you some sales. Now, if we go down here, you can see why you should order traffic from me, because you want to get traffic that converts. You want to actually know that you have real traffic, and they're pre-qualified leads, which means the leads come into my email list and they actually get filtered out to only keep the most high quality leads that you could possibly get. So I have a way to filter my leads through my funnels before they even reach you. And this means you get very high quality leads, very high quality opt-in rate, and I give you proven results over time that I've tested, because I've tested over 6 figures in traffic to be able to come up with these numbers, right? So this is from data that I've tested, and you're going to actually see when we go to this testimonial section, there's plenty of other testimonials right here from people who you may have known or you may know right now. And these are some video testimonials from some of the clients. And here's some written testimonials right here from the clients. And, up here is testimonials. Some of them are from clients and some of them are from trusted people that you may know, right? So they're people that I've done business with and people that you can definitely trust when it comes to traffic and things like that. So here's the traffic packages right here. Here's the premium traffic. So if you want premium traffic, here's 90% tier 1 or 100% tier 1. If you want buyer traffic means it has buyers in it. Most of it is all buyers. And so the buyer traffic is people who have bought something in the past. Premium traffic has some buyers in it, but it's not buyer traffic per se. Buyer traffic is your highest quality traffic that you could possibly get. So if you want to get buyer traffic, just go over to buyer traffic, then you select if you want 90% tier 1 or 100% tier 1, and the prices are different depending on what you order. And the reason why I revamp the store is because I want to make sure that I deliver the highest quality traffic that you could possibly get on the internet, right? So if you've been looking for ways to build and grow your business, this is definitely it. And this is 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And if you have any questions, questions are going to be down here. So make sure you check this part out. If you have questions as far as the traffic goes, you can leave your questions or concerns right here, or you can leave them under the video. And, if you want to know actually what I'm doing to actually build and grow in business, I have a system that's already set up and ready to go for you. You don't need to worry about funnel setup. You don't need to worry about emails. You don't need to worry about any of that stuff. I have a high converting system right here that is up and ready for you to go. This is going to be the second link in the description below. So click on the second link below this video and you could go into the system. This is a turnkey residual income system where you get 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. So basically what we do is we have the system in place for you, and this is the same platform that I built my traffic store off of that you just looked at. You have the funnel builder tool to be able to build your pages for whatever opportunity you want, and I have a team that helps you to build out any kind of pages you need for your marketing. So if you're doing some kind of marketing with a network marketing company or an affiliate marketing offer or whatever you have, you can utilize my team to actually build out nice stuff for you and get some very high quality pages, very high quality websites, and everything like that to build and grow your business. And then we also have the email marketing portion. So if you've been spending a lot of money on email marketing, once you get your leads, our email system has email validation. So anybody who uses our funnels will actually have email validation and bot protection, which means any email that comes through your system will be 100% real, and you'll be able to do email marketing to your list, and it's very affordable. So there's no monthly fees with the email portion of it. And then we have a tool that will help you to get free Facebook leads every single day. I get about 7 to 10 leads and people who say yes from Facebook who actually want to look at what I'm doing. So if you want free Facebook leads, you're going to want to click on the second link below this video, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how this works. You're going to want to put your name and email into this page, and you'll go to the next page to find out more information. There's also going to be a link to the traffic store below, and there's also going to be a link to my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.